So in this lesson, we are going to do the background. So here you have an idea. We are going to do something different because I was using the other girl. But for you to have an idea what we are going to do. So we are using a compass to do some circles. If you don't have one, just take some caps or circles, plastic circles or whatever you have around in your studio of different sizes. So now I am using the stencil of Dina Walkley. You can use whatever stencil you have around. Just follow the circle. Then that one was just a circle, so it was perfect. And you can see that it's not perfect, but I embrace my mistakes. The brush was wet, and it's not a good combination, so avoid that. And then I am just drawing like a rainbow because I saw a lot of rainbows in design pages. So I wanted one in my page. And I am using oil pastel. And then we are going to create collage pieces. So in this cardboards in black and craft one, I am giving some texture in the first one with acrylic paint and a stamp offset after. This is not a traditional material to stamp on, but I like to use different materials. The important thing is that you have to clean it very well. And then, yes, with the normal ink for stamping over the craft paper. And the third one is going to be with the rice paper and some acrylic paint, just in gray color. And we are going to do like 1.5 circles here. And now we draw the circles. You cannot see it in the camera, but it was visible in real. But you can also do it with white pencil or whatever, just if you don't see it very well. But in my case, I thought it was enough to do it with the graphite. And so you cut the pieces, the 3 pieces. And so once you have it, then we are going to play in the composition of the page. So here I was starting, and then luckily that I used the graphite pencil because I realized this is not the direction that I wanted. So I just erased it and started again. Then I realized that it was much better if I just put the focal point and then decide where I want the pieces, which was a great idea. So this is what I am doing now, just making sure that the position is the correct one. And I love to play with circles. I mean, you can do so many different combinations. They are great for playing. So now, yes, this is in the end the direction that I wanted. So we are going to do 3 of these circles because we are going to draw inside like a handmade pattern. So I am using color pencils for that, and I am pressing a little. That's why the camera is moving, because I'm moving the table, the camera, everything. And so you have to draw the 3 of them. You could do also dots on this, but I like this pattern. And now, yes, we are just fixing the pieces. Firstly, stapling. And this is something that I learned from Dina Walkley, which is one of my reference. And that's it for this lesson. See you in the next one, where we are going to build the art journal page. See you in the next lesson.